just enough. We see a future, we see all the above. As soon as it comes.
What's up, Max and Tour gang?
Lego.
Today, what are we doing, Max? Getting some Legos. So we actually got Legos from Best Buy, which is weird, but Best Buy got a really good sale on Legos right now. But by the time you guys see this, it might be done. But we got two really cool Lego sets we gotta go get. Alright, so we're gonna head to Best Buy right now and then grab those, hit the Target, come back. Maybe we'll try and make them today. We'll see. But you guys will see everything on this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, MT gang. Say bye, Max. See you in the video. Alright, so we just got out of Best Buy like you guys seen. We picked up our Legos. What do we got, Max?
The Legos.
We got Legos. We got the police car Legos. That is 92 pieces. 92 pieces. Comes with some cones. A little policeman. Look at that. Told you guys that I wanted to get into Legos next. The other one we got is, I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if there's my address on it. Let's cover this. It's the Legos with the dump truck, and I guess they got some trash and some workers. And this one is, I think, what, 90 pieces? 90 pieces, yeah, 90 pieces. And it comes with the dump truck, and I guess all of these things. How fun that is. It's gonna be so fun to build. We both love it. You excited?
Yeah.
Max loves making these videos. He's always asking for the camera now. And we're just having so much fun, guys. Thank you guys so much for the guys who've been following us already. And let's get into the video. See you guys in the video, Max. Alright, so we are back at the house.
Took with the Legos.
You ready to open some Legos?
Yeah.
Okay, so first we're gonna do which one?
This
So we got the garbage truck,
policeman.
and then we got the police car with the policeman, and then we got the garbage truck with all, I guess there's all of these things in them.
This car's
It's gonna be really cool. So I think we're gonna do like a time lapse. Alright, let's open it up and get into it. Here, like this. Yeah.
It's stuck.
There you go. Go rip it open. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Wow.
Alright. So this one is... there's more. This one is 92 pieces. And hopefully it looks like that after we're done.
What this?
I know, we have to read the instructions. They'll tell us how. Anything else in the box? Alright, nothing else in the box.
pushing us down. Now it's enough, now it's enough. We see a future, we see all the above. As soon as it comes, as soon as it comes. Our skin's getting thicker, there's no need to shiver. We are young, we are strong, we got love for life. And now it gets bigger, we put our hands on the trigger. We got love for life. We gon' party till we're up. Oh, we know how to make it show. We gon' show them what we got. Oh, we won't be gone. We're holding on. We got love for life. We got love for life. Free your mind is just a matter of time. We'll give it a try. We'll give it a try. We ain't doing it eye for an eye. No need to be blind.